3, go! Come on, Type R! Bam! Come on, Civic! Boom! Get in there! Boom! Come on! You can do it! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright guys, let's do this then. You guys asked for it. Audi V6 3.2 versus the Civic Type R stock, and that is stock, but it's got a back exhaust, but that's it, cat back exhaust. But 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, Type R! Boom! Back shifting. Alright, that's it. Woohoo! Alhamdulillah. Alright, 2, 3, go! My VTEC. Let's go. Come on. Oh, that's it. Type R. K20 Type R. Alhamdulillah. What's going on there, man? Man, it must be the shift. It must be the shift of the Type R. Nah, I'm joking. I'm not sure, you know. I think you need to be ready in the revs. But yeah, man, the Type R, man. I miss the Type R. A Type R is my element, and I love driving the Type R because I can shift the gears fast, and I like hitting that, you know, getting to the rev limit. Like, I'll be honest, my favorite car that I drive is the Civic Type R. You know, I drive the S3 rep. I love the S3 rep. Come on, Type R. Boom! Alright, that's it. Wow. What was that, man? That was neck and neck, was it? Once the Type R's in VTEC, you know, the Audi's not Audi's not getting away. It's not getting away. It's like the, you know, the hook onto the Audi. You're not getting away now. First gear. 2, 3, go. Bam! Come on, Civic. Boom! Come on, Civic. Get in there. Boom! Come on! You can do it. Oh, that's it. Type R! Alright, woo! Alright, that, man, I'm telling ya. But I wasn't in VTEC, but man, is that Audi going? Man. Yeah, standard. At least we know now the Audi 3.2 V6 is stock. It's not modified, because if that was modified with the ABT tuning, it'd be leaving the Type R. But you know, I think it's a neck and neck car, you know. The Audi looks nice. When I'm fully in the VT, I think it's a pretty quick car. That'd keep up with the Type R. 160 SR. That. Right, gonna have to end the video there. I just want to say to everybody, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below what you guys think. Did the Type R win? Did the Audi win? Audi owners, feel free to drop your comments. Civic owner, drop your comments and let me know what you think. Because as far as I know, I think the conclusion that we come to is the Audi is little bit quicker, but in VTEC we're neck and neck all the way. And maybe the Audi needs a DPF clean, so and so, but the Type R, you know, drop your comments down below and tell us what you think, and we'll take it from there. Thank you again for everybody watching. Peace and blessings from the Almighty amongst everybody watching, and I hope everybody's safe. Peace.